Our top story, demand for homes in the 50 lakh to a crore plus range in the National Capital Region seem to have bottomed out over the last year. And that's evident from the inventory overhang numbers that we keep highlighting on our shows. But there is one housing segment that's seeing consistent demand from consumers and steady investments from developers, and that's the budget housing space. There is, in fact, a lot of good quality work out there in NCR market, which is happening in this segment. Vasudha Sharma lists out the top 5 projects in NCR that offer value homes in the 15 to 35 lakh rupees.
For high school teacher Bhumika, the most important milestone of her life was to have a house of her own. She had limited savings but was clear that the property she would buy had to be close to her place of work and also in a secure gated environment. Her hunt ended at Aditya World City on the NH24 highway in Ghaziabad.
NH24 के करीब है, मेट्रो पास में आ रही है और पीसफुल बहुत ज़्यादा है.
1 BHK apartments here are available for 14 lakhs, while 2 to 3 BHKs range from 21 to 30 lakhs. But such bare prices don't mean the township lacks any conveniences. At 185 acres, Aditya World City is coming up as a self-sufficient township with schools, shopping centres, a multiplex and a host of recreational and sporting facilities. For working class families in NCR, Aditya World City is surely a value buy. In search for the top 5 projects that offer value homes in NCR, we came across another township in Ghaziabad, Bharat City. The approach road may be inferior, but it is a compelling choice, being just a 40-minute drive from Delhi. Here too, genuine end users can find 1 to 2 BHK apartments between 18 to 35 lakhs.
अपने बजट के अंदर में है, सब कुछ बेस्ट है और एक्चुअली क्या है, इनका जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है सब कुछ वो बहुत अच्छा है और यहाँ पे सेफ है, लाइफ बहुत सेफ है.
Encouraged by the response to their affordable flats, BCC Infrastructures is now gearing up for Phase 2 at Bharat City. The task of building a whole township of homes that will sell between 18 to 35 lakhs has its own set of challenges of labour and material availability that can really slow down your pace of construction. But here at Bharat City, they scrapped the traditional method of construction and adopted precast technology to deliver cost-effective homes on time.
In prefab, the best advantage is the production speed. So with this kind of a setup, we can produce 500 square feet of walls in a day and 1000 square meters of slab in a day. You can achieve 1 slab in a week. So if you are doing 15 floors, you can achieve 15 floors in 15 weeks, which is very good number. Right now in our existing construction scenario, we go to 15 floors maybe in 2 years, and then we start our finishing work and other things.
Also on our list of best budget homes in NCR is Supertech's newly launched project Basera. Being developed under Haryana government's affordable housing policy, Basera will offer 1 and 2 BHK flats priced between 12 to 20 lakhs in Gurgaon Sector 79.
तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा अट्रैक्शन है कि प्राइस को उन्होंने कंट्रोल कर दिया और वो प्राइस जो कंट्रोल हुआ वो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कि उन्होंने एफएआर और डेंसिटी में बेनिफिट कर दिया है. दूसरा ये है कि जिसकी अलॉटमेंट है, अलॉटमेंट ड्रॉ के द्वारा होगा. थर्ड ये है कि इसको आप मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस जो लोगों को डिलीवरी के बाद 5 साल तक वेवर कर दिया उसको.
Beyond Ghaziabad and Gurgaon, Noida and Greater Noida together are home to over 100 affordable housing projects. But the best that makes the cut for its quality, accessibility and builder track record is Gaur City Phase 2 by Gorsons India in Greater Noida West. 1 BHKs here are available at a starting price of 17 lakhs. And closing our top 5 list is Vipul Garden in Dharuheda with 1 BHKs in 22 lakhs. You may be a budget home seeker but never cut corners on the developer's background and the quality of the construction. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.